In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your TikTok Shop messages. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of TikTok Shop and how you can easily declutter your messages. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your TikTok account. Once you're in, head over to your messages. You'll find this option conveniently located at the bottom right corner of your screen. It's quite straightforward really and should be easy to spot with the familiar chat icon. Now that you're in your messages, the next step is to select the message you want to delete. To do this, simply long press on the specific message. Keeping your finger pressed down will bring up a small prompt with various options. Here you'll notice a delete option. With a gentle tap on delete, that message will be quickly removed from your list, leaving your inbox a bit tidier. Moreover, there's another way to delete messages that might come in handy. If you want to delete an entire conversation or perhaps a thread of messages, you can swipe from right to left on the conversation box. It's a smooth gesture, and as you swipe, you'll see a delete button come up, highlighted in red. Just tap on that button and voila. The entire conversation or specific message you selected will be removed instantly. It's important to note that once you click delete, the message or conversation, whether it's from a customer or one of your followers, will be permanently deleted from your TikTok Shop messages. There's no undo button here, so you'll want to make sure that you indeed want those messages gone for good. And there you have it. That's how you can keep your TikTok Shop messages organized and free of clutter. We all know how quickly messages can pile up, especially if you're active on platforms like TikTok. A clean inbox can make managing your account just a bit easier and less stressful. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you feel more in control of your TikTok Shop interactions. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this process, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. I'm always here to help. Until next time, happy TikToking, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.